stop! Why don't you just open the door?
Are you kidding me?
What? It's just a standard Phillips slide bolt. Just
Come on,
rotate it.
let's go! There! What are you doing?
Oh, I can't.
What? You can't what?
I can't.
You couldn't tell me this before now!
It didn't matter before now.
I hate you.
Ah!
Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, I can fly. I pick my beak, and once in a while I pee in the bird bath. Happy?
There they are!
We gotta get out of here!
Wait, listen to me. Flying may not be my thing, but walking is. Follow my lead. Inside leg, outside leg.
Yeah, okay, I got it.
Inside, outside.
Inside, outside, inside, outside.
Yes!
How about
See? I'm bilingual too.
Ah, this is great. I'm chained to the only bird in the world who can't fly.
Actually, there are about 40 species of flightless birds.
Duck!
No, ducks can fly.
No! Duck!
Joga a bola! Recebe o lado certo, avança, Garcia no meio da área, Garcia vai receber,
Get out of here, you putrid poultry!